Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show you how to reset the oil life light on my Chevy HHR after an oil change. You can do your own research into different ways. You can do it with the buttons on the steering wheel or just press the gas pedal. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, in this section I'll show you how to reset the oil life using the button on your steering wheel. So the way you do this is: Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the info button until you get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Then you're gonna hold down the info button and the enter button at the same time to enter the oil life reset mode. Step 4. Press and hold the enter button until the acknowledged is displayed and you're done. Okay, so I've shown you the first way to reset the oil by using the steering buttons. So now I'm going to show you the other way to do it. Step 1. Turn the car to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Then you're going to press the gas pedal down and let it off 3 times within 5 seconds, and that will reset once you restart. So that's it, and you're all done. Please subscribe and check out my other video if you found this helpful. So thanks for watching and have a great day.